Subscription box fulfillment isn't like shipping standard products. Every month it's different. One week is a summer glow kit with 5 SKUs. Next month is a feel-good fragrance kit. For the packer, that means a constantly changing bill of materials, SKUs that look similar but belong to different tiers, and inserts that vary by theme or geography. For the brand, one missing face wash or gadget not only risks a refund claim but questions their subscription. Multiply that by thousands of boxes and churn becomes a silent leak. So, how does a support agent prove what went into one specific subscriber's box? vAudit was designed for exactly this. At the subscriber pack station, the packer scans the order ID, which triggers video capture only for that box. As each SKU is scanned, vAudit stamps the moment as a marker on the video timeline and captures a time-stamped image. The video also shows the insert and box sealing. The clip ties directly to the order ID and uploads instantly to the cloud. Now, every box has a verifiable packing record. If a premium tier customer says the $80 item was missing, support enters the order ID, jumps to the exact second the SKU was packed, and sends proof back. QA leaders can quality check 10 to 15 videos and identify recurring mistakes in a variant-heavy subscription order. This video can be later used for training packers in the exact step they miss out. With vAudit Video Logger, subscription box fulfillment becomes defensible and transparent. Support resolves missing item tickets in seconds, not hours. There is a reduction in false refund claims. QA targets repeat mistakes with evidence. Finance protects premium tier revenue and chargebacks. Most importantly, subscribers stay. Because every box is verifiable, every claim is answerable, and every month's drop builds trust instead of doubt.